like about the new Photoshop 2021. Um, I'm used to pressing Command Shift S, which saves my documents, saves my photos, and here I am pressing Command Shift S, and it sends me, Command Shift S, and it sends me to this window. Now this window, I'm starting to really like. It really bothers me a lot because it's not the same window I used to have. When I press right here where it says format, I always save my formats in JPEG, not in Photoshop. I press it and all I see are these three here. It's very annoying because I have to press this. Now look, I have to go over here, press my folder that I want to use. Let's say for example I want to use this folder. And this is the folder I want to save it as. I always go up here first. I'm always doing this stuff over here. Okay, now this is where I want to save the document. I want to save it here, right? I can't find it here, so I'm like, okay, then I guess I'll press this button and look what happens when I do it. It just resets, and now I'm back at what folder? Am I in the same folder? Or what folder am I at? Facebook, Christopher Island. Right there. I have to go look for the folder again to make sure I'm in the same folder. Then go, and then finally my JPEGs are right here. I always use this. How can I fix this? Because every time I want to Command Shift S, I don't want that box to show ever again. I don't want this box to show ever again. I want the other box to show. This one, the one that I'm used to, the one that I've always used.